Okay, this is part 2 of the same question. Now, we're going to continue from here. Let's look at the original two function first. 4 sine. If I want to find the intersecting point between this curve, the sine curve, and the cosine curve, what do I do? Since y is equal to this and y equal, I just take this 2 cosine x minus 1, which is y, and substitute over here. So it becomes 2 cosine x minus 1 equal to 4 sine 2x. Okay, rearrange it, become 4 sine 2x equal to 2 cosine x minus 1. Okay, bring the 1 over here, 4 sine plus 1 equal to 2 cosine x. Okay, now when you want to find the intersecting point between the first and the second curve, you just replace the y here with this function, put it inside. Okay, so you're saying that if you take this and put here this equal to this, basically you are finding the intersecting point of these two curves. Okay, when you take this, put over here, that means when will the y be the same? Okay, the y of the first function is same as the y of the second function. Is when they intersect. When the two curves intersect, the y value is the same at that point of intersection. The x value at the point is also the same. So what we're doing is we are taking the function and put it over here. So that represents, if you solve this, if let's say, like for example, I put this here, if I solve it using algebra, okay, whatever the value that I obtain from this equation, okay, will be the intersecting point of the two curves. Okay, the question here is actually manipulate a bit, bring the minus 1 over here, look a bit more complicated, look a bit different from the original, but basically it's still the same. If you move this back here, from this step you move to this step, is actually the first function, the sine function, and equal to the cosine function. Okay, so basically it's asking you to find how many intersecting points between the sine function and the cosine function. Okay, now let's go and take a look. Okay, where is the intersect? Remember, you have to look at the domain. Okay, the domain, the point intersection, you have to check from 0 to 360 only. Now, so if you look carefully here, there is one point intersection between the red curve and the black curve. Okay, now then you look here, there's another point intersection between the red curve and the black curve. Then over here you got another point intersection. Okay, now over here you got another point intersection. So that's it. If there's 4-point intersection, it basically saying that there are 4 solutions. There are 4 set of 4 points where the x-y coordinates are exactly the same. Okay, that means there are 4 solutions. If you solve it algebra, if let's say you use a very complicated method to solve it, you can have 4 points. Point 1, okay. Point 1 would be some here. This point 1, you got a x1, y1. Point 2 is here. You got x2 and y2. Okay, similar. We will get a 4 point. But in this question, it's not asking you for that 4 point. It's just asking you how many points will the two curves intersect. So basically, the answer in this case is equal to 4 solution. Okay, that's it.